Hi, my name is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. And today I'm going to show you how I converted an unused bedroom into a home office. If you are new to this channel, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned to home organizational tips, decor, and planning and productivity strategies. Thanks.
Okay, welcome to my office. Alright, now in my office I have a freestanding desk. Now this actually came from the Home Decorators collection, which is a division of actually Home Depot. And I will put a link to it below. But it is a freestanding desk in the middle of the room. And I also have a few other pieces to this collection, which is my credenza and bookshelves, or small bookshelves that are on either side of the credenza. So I actually love my office. I initially had an office in my closet, and I'll put a link to that below, but now I'm back in my home, and I wanted an area that's really comfortable for me. I love those prints that are on the wall. Those are like the traditional girl boss prints, and I love them. So on the credenza, I have a fax machine. Yes, I have a fax machine, but I keep it off the hook because it's attached to my home number, and my home phone will ring a million times a day with crazy calls, and I don't want to answer them. So I just pretty much keep it off the hook. So if you call my house number, it's always going to be busy. I work from home, so I actually have to have a phone, but when I'm not on technical work hours, I just keep it off the hook. This is my scale because I have an Etsy shop and I always have to weigh things. I love this acrylic case, and so I keep scissors and hole punchers and different things like that. So I do love that. I wanted to be creative and organized with my wall decor, so I do have this wall calendar that I just purchased, so it's pretty much spanking clean. Now on my printer, I have another acrylic tray which I keep a lot of useful things. This is pretty much my printing section. That box is where I keep all of my printing paper. Then I have also various hole punchers and letter punchers. On my desk, I keep my iPad, my computer, and then also a tray. Now since my desk is freestanding, it is in the middle of the room, so I had to find a way to hide the cords instead of having them, going behind me. So I have it on, I guess there's an opening on the back of my desk, and I'll show you. I'll go around so you can see. But I keep my coaster on my desk, and then also another acrylic holder where I keep my mouse and some other post-it notes. Now, as I was mentioning before about my desk, it is freestanding, and I had to figure out a way to hide the cords. So the cords are actually run under or behind the desk, and I put this little plant. It's kind of strategically placed so you can't see the cords. And I have 3 cords. I have a cord to my work computer, my personal computer, and my iDevice. So it hides 3 cords. So I really do like that. So it goes behind the desk, and then actually under where, like this, if you were to have a tower, and then I have a pink rug on the floor where the actual plugs or the cords go under the credenza to the wall. So I'm really happy that way I've camouflaged that. Now on this wall, I actually have my degrees and my certificates. They are not professionally framed because I just haven't did. I am very proud of my degrees, and the very top one is my master's degree along with that orange Eiffel Tower. I really love putting those pops of colors different place. I love my little pink Polaroid camera, and then also that little silver urchin thing or whatever that is. In the bottom, I have some boxes when I was with At Home with Nikki and her subscription box services. Now on this other side, it's kind of like a more of a fun side. I went to That's Hot pop-up shop, and the owner is Donna Moss from That's Hot, and I loved it. Now the top shelf was also my board for 2019. Now I love this letterboard right here. It says, "I'm trying to make it to Forbes, not Hollywood." I thought that was really fun. I also have my Chamber of Commerce plaque when I was in Chamber of Commerce, a few Girl Boss books, and then also some planners and binders. This is the equivalent of a pin board for me. So if I have like different ideas or different sticky notes, I'll just stick them up there. I love my hourglass, even though it's only 45 minutes, but I absolutely love it. And then also there's another pop of orange, which is in my clock which I don't use as well. It's just there for decor, along with the ceramic cacti. So this section behind my desk, I have my acrylic hanging file folder, which is by date. So that's why I put like save date cards and things like that. I also have a trash can. I forgot to empty the trash can, so it's stuck in the video. And there is my 3-month calendar that fell, so I have to put that back up. But that's in this section. Now I absolutely love my little sitting area in my office. It's so comfortable. Now this is a TV that I use when I'm watching TV or watching YouTube videos. And then I also have my Wii Fit. You know, I'm trying to bounce back from having this baby. So I have all of my little Wii Fit games and Nintendo activity things. So I really do love that. Now this box to the left of my TV is for shredding documents. I have a service called Iron Mountain, and they come once a month and they take all of the paper documents that be shredded, so I don't have to put sensitive items in my trash, and then I don't also have to shred them. It's only like $25 a month, so I don't have to try to manually shred everything. So I put all that stuff in here. And then this is just some decor things I really like, just trying to show the colors of the room, my orange and my pink, so that's really fun. This bag came from IBB Designs, and it was just the color, so I just keep it on the door. I really don't do anything with that bag. It's just there. And I do need to change that hardware of the door out from that brass to like a silver. But overall, you know, this is the room when you come in, my office. I do love it. It's more like a she-shed sanctuary for me. I have my treadmill. Like I said, I'm trying to, you know, bounce back and lose this baby weight so I can stay healthy and fit. And sometimes if I'm working and I just want to get up and, you know, move, I can just get on the treadmill. Now this is another damask chair with a pillow. I could sit here and do some commentary. Sometimes I will sit there and look outside. This is a mirror which is behind the door, which faces my treadmill. So if I do want to see myself, you know, every room should have a mirror, you know, I can use that. I love my curtains. They are standard. They're not custom. I actually just purchased them from at home many moons ago. And once again, there is a view of my treadmill and everything. So I do enjoy my office. It is a very tranquil place for me. I can come here, I can work. I need to put a sign on my door that says do not enter, because when I'm here, the kids, if they can't find me, they know I'm in my office, you know, working or watching TV. So I need to have like some kid and husband repellent on that room. So anyway, thanks very much for stopping by and watching my video. And please subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Thank you very much, and have a divine day. Goodbye.